Sophie, do you remember when you were learning another language? You'd be in class, everything makes sense, and then you meet a native speaker.
Oh, absolutely. Suddenly it feels like you know nothing. The words are fast, they're connected, and people use all these little phrases that were never in the textbook.
Exactly. It's like a completely different language. And that feeling is exactly what we're talking about today.
Hello, and welcome to Real English Podcast Work in Life. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Michael. If you've ever felt that real spoken English sounds different from what you learn in school, this episode is for you.
That's right. Today, you'll learn real, simple phrases that native speakers use every day. These aren't complicated grammar points, they are the small words that help you sound more natural and confident.
And you'll understand native speakers a lot better too.
So, why does real English sound so different from textbook English?
Well, there are a few simple reasons. First, in real conversations, people don't usually speak in long, perfect sentences. We use short phrases.
We connect ideas with simple words like and, but, or so. It's not a formal essay.
Right. Second, we use lots of little words and phrases to be polite or to soften what we're saying. We call these softeners. They make the conversation feel more friendly and less direct.
That's a great point. It's about being friendly.
And finally, we use a lot of short, natural reactions to show we're listening. Phrases like, oh, really? Or, that's great.
Exactly. It shows you're engaged in the conversation. So the key is not perfect grammar, but using these simple, natural phrases.
Let's jump into it. We have 6 real phrases that native speakers use all the time.
I'm ready.
Okay, phrase number 1 is, I mean. We use this to clarify something or to explain what we just said in a simpler way.
Yes, to make your point clearer.
Exactly. For example, the movie was okay. I mean, the story was good, but the acting wasn't great. Or, let's meet tomorrow. I mean, if you're free, of course.
Got it. So how would that sound in a mini dialogue?
Okay, imagine this. You ask me, did you like the presentation?
Did you like the presentation?
It was a little long. I mean, the information was useful, but he could have said it in 10 minutes.
That's such a useful phrase. It helps you say what you really think without being too direct.
Exactly. Okay, phrase number 2, you know what I mean? We add this to the end of a sentence to check if the other person understands us.
Right, to make sure you're on the same page.
Exactly. For example, I just feel really tired lately. It's hard to focus. You know what I mean? Another example, this new coffee shop is great, but it's a little expensive. You know what I mean?
I do. Let's try a mini dialogue. I'll ask you a question. Is the new software easy to use?
Kind of. The main part is easy, but some features are confusing.
That makes sense. It's a very honest and natural sounding answer. Much better than just yes or no.
Right. Okay. Number 4 is a great one for listening. It's, that makes sense. You say this to show you understand and agree with someone's reason or explanation.
It's a way of saying, I understand your logic.
Perfectly put. For example, if someone says, I'm going to be late, the traffic is terrible, you can reply, okay, that makes sense. Or, we should finish this today so we don't have to work on the weekend. Your colleague could say, that makes sense.
Okay, so for a mini dialogue, I'll start. I'm sorry, I can't come to the party on Friday. I have to study for my exam.
Oh, that makes sense. Good luck with your exam.
Using that makes sense is so positive and encouraging. It really helps a conversation flow smoothly.
Really does. Next up, number 5 is no worries. This is a very common, friendly way to say, it's okay, don't worry about it, or you're welcome.
So it has a few different uses.
Yes. For example, if someone says, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to email you that document," you can say, no worries, just send it when you can. Or if someone says, thanks for your help, you can reply, no worries.
Okay, let's do a dialogue. Hey, I'm running about 5 minutes late.
No worries, I just got here myself.
I love no worries. It's so relaxed and friendly. It immediately makes the situation feel less stressful.
Totally. All right, our last one, number 6, is a polite softener. Do you mind if you use this to ask for permission in a very polite way?
This is super important for work or when talking to people you don't know well.
Absolutely. For example, do you mind if I open the window? It's a bit warm in here. Or do you mind if I ask you a quick question?
Okay, mini dialogue time. We're in a cafe. Do you mind if I sit here? Everywhere else is full.
Not at all. Go ahead.
Using a phrase like that shows so much respect. It's a simple way to be very polite, and people will always respond well to it.
Okay. Number 7 is a really useful one for discussions. To be fair. We use this to introduce a counter argument or a different perspective, often to defend someone or something that has been criticized. It really does. Okay, now that we have these phrases, let's put them into a longer conversation. We're going to do an extended role play.
Great idea.
Okay, the scene is two coworkers chatting in the office kitchen. First, we'll do role play A, using textbook English. It'll sound a bit stiff.
Okay, I'm ready for role play A.
Hello, Sophie. Are you having a productive day?
Hello, Michael. Yes, it is adequate. The new project is challenging.
I agree. It is a large amount of work. I must finish my report by 5 o'clock.
I understand. I'm going to get a coffee now. Goodbye.
Okay. See, it's grammatically correct, but it sounds
Like a robot. No one talks like that.
exactly. Now let's do role play B. Same situation, but this time we'll use our natural phrases.
Ready for role play B.
Hey, Sophie, how's your day going?
Oh, hey, Michael. It's going okay. This new project is a lot. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally. I'm kind of stressed about this report. I mean, I have to finish it by 5.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, I'm just grabbing a coffee. By the way, do you mind if I borrow your pen for a second? I forgot mine.
No worries. Here you go.
Thanks.
See the difference?
Night and day. It's friendly, it's real, it connects. That's how people actually talk. We used, you know what I mean, kind of, I mean, that makes sense, do you mind if, and no worries. All of them.
Now it's your turn to practice. This is the most important part. You have to say the words out loud. We'll give you 10 lines. I'll say a line and you repeat it. Then Sophie will say a line and you repeat it. Ready?
Let's do it.
Repeat after me. I mean, the idea is good.
Now, me. It's a little confusing. You know what I mean?
Are you tired? Kind of.
Well, okay, that makes sense.
Sorry I'm late. No worries.
Do you mind if I open the window?
Now a polite softener. Would it be okay if I called you back later?
And another one. Do you mind if I ask a question?
In some reactions. Oh, wow, that's amazing.
He said that? Seriously?
Great job. Seriously, practicing out loud is the secret.
It really is. So let's wrap up. Remember, sounding natural in English is not about having perfect grammar or a huge vocabulary.
Right. It's about using these small, simple phrases to connect your ideas, be polite, and show you're listening. It's about communication, not perfection.
So pick one or two phrases from today and try to use them this week.
And that's all for today on Real English Podcast. If you want more tips for real natural English, make sure to subscribe for our weekly episodes.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, which phrase from today's episode surprised you the most? We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.